Shalom, 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 everybody. How are you doing? Are we live? Let's see. Are we live here? And yes, okay. Shalom, everybody. Shoot me out with a shoot me out. Show me in the comment section that you're here with a shalom or hello or whatever language you desire. Shalom, and don't forget to smash the like button or tickle the like button or massage the like button, whatever feels good to you. Hello, everybody. Hopefully I'll do a little bit more live streams. I finally ordered a battery so I can connect to the electricity and not be on a regular battery on my camera. Worst case scenario, we'll go to the one on my laptop, but that's worst case scenario. Doesn't really bring the best picture. What's happening, guys? Today, another good day for Shiba Inu that we've talked about a lot on the channel lately. Up 15%, currently holding the Fibonacci level very nicely. And it's just been a really interesting day here. AMC is in the green. I thought we might see a red day here for AMC, but so far so good. Hopefully we don't see a dip by the end of the day. And other stocks that have been doing great today. Tesla over 1,000, guys. I called this out 2 weeks ago, and I said that I think it's going to make a really nice run here, and that's exactly what happened. I think it was around 800, so almost a 200 move. So very, very nice run here for Tesla. If we take a look at some other things, Bitcoin has gone up really significantly, and also today around 5%. I'm a little bit quiet, guys, because my son wasn't feeling so good and it took us like an hour to get him back to sleep, so hopefully he doesn't wake up and I'll have to stop the live stream. Bitcoin up 3%, so that so what happened is a lot of these Bitcoin stocks are up today big. If we look like Mara up 11%, which I also called out a few weeks ago, same thing. So it's doing very, very good. If a little bit time goes by, I'll get my voice a little bit stronger. Shiba is going to make millionaires, yes. Hopefully millionaires, billionaires, all the kinds of heirs. So currently there's the Citadel SEC hearing. If you haven't heard, it's going on now. Citadel Securities and SEC battle over micro-millisecond. You can follow on Twitter. There's some guys that are watching what's going on with the proceedings there. So very interesting to see what's going to come out of that. If people are going to if Citadel is going to get a big fine, or what's going to happen, are they going to do any changes? We'll see. It's going to be an interesting situation here with Citadel if they ever get to a situation where they're going to get a slap on the wrist, or they're going to really make them change the way they operate, right? So that's something very important going forward. There's a lot of things that were implemented in the stock market that back in the day people thought that it was good, but now we know that it's not that relevant, and people should not be these things shouldn't be going on anymore. Don't forget to smash the like button. Smash the like button. I like to do a song, but I'll sing it softly because in Hebrew, to go up is ole, and you know the song for the soccer, football, it goes ole, 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 ole. So that's my like song. I don't usually do it in regular videos, only in live streams. So let me know, guys, in the chat. Are you here for Shiba Inu? Are you here for AMC? Are you here for Avi? Are you here for Tesla? Are you here for something else? Let me know. Currently, Tesla is continuing to go up. Very, very nice movement here. It hit a high when it was over $1 trillion, and it had a bit of a pullback here. That's normal. That's something that's going to happen whenever you have something like this that's going up so much. It's to be expected. Nothing too crazy. AMC is dipping towards the end of the day. I really hope it doesn't finish in the red. That was my price prediction. I'm always happy when my red price predictions go into the are finish in the green, but there's looking like today it might come to fruition. The red, if it continues like this. This is what I predicted, and this is what I thought. We'll see what happens with that. Another one that I've been watching a lot lately, car. I've called it out also on one of the videos where I talked about stocks to watch, and look at it. It's not stopping. I think it was 120, something like that, when we started talking about it. It's currently at 176, guys. You don't need all the time these DWAGs to make a lot of money, right, guys? Right? That's what it was. No, I forgot already the ticker symbol. What was it? Remind me. DWAC, yeah. DWAC. It's down -7.8%. David is asking if I need money. You always need money, right? Whenever my father asks me, you need money? So I say, of course. So how much do you want to give me? Even when you don't need. If somebody offers like a close relative, especially parents, you say, of course. Don't be pride. Don't have pride. So there's plays like this. Of course, it happens once a year, maybe once in a blue moon, that you're going to have a play like this. You do see stocks every day that move 100%, 200%, but usually those are small stocks. Usually they move a pre-market already, and you're not going to get it. So getting into a stock like getting into a stock like car, you can get from 100 to 170 in just a few weeks, and you don't have to take a huge risk like you did with DWAC and PHUN and MARK, right? There was another one today. Yeah, this one went up 40%. It's going up. That it was down. So yeah, it's down from the open, right? There was another one. I have it on my list here. Where is it? BKKT. They came out that they're going to be partnering with a credit card company and with MasterCard, I think, right? Yeah, MasterCard announced a partnership for crypto and loyalty solutions with this company, and it went up 172% today. Actually, when I saw the message, I got a message about it. Was at 16. I was like, is this going to be another one that's going to run like this or not? And it ran up on me here in this big run. interesting if it will, you know, continue this run in the next few days, or it's gonna be one of those that pulls back. I'm gonna have to come to the US once AMC squeezes. There's gonna be a big party in Las Vegas, I heard. So maybe. Do you remember when there was gonna be a big party and then they canceled it because it was like maybe it was a scam, or people were like, right, Ape Fest or something like that, and people were like, let's first you know, squeeze and then we'll talk about parties, right? And I was like, I don't understand what people are doing. Like, I thought what happened is after the pandemic, maybe people wanted to get out of the house, they wanted to let loose a little bit, so then they were like happy about that idea, and then, you know, and then people were like, well, what are we talking about? Coin also very nice breakout here from the resistance area. I'll have to, David, I'll have to take her with me. David is asking if my wife will will let me go. We'll have to find somebody to watch the kids and go. Let's see what's going on with Shiba Inu. SHIB. It's continuing to rise here after this support level here on the Fibonacci level. So very, very nice bounce off support, right? And this is on the minute, 1 minute, yeah. So this is the new Fibonacci that I pulled. If you didn't see the morning video where I showed it, because I had it pulled from here, from the bottom, but then it created a new retracement when it went up to 45, so I changed it, right? And so you can see I pulled it now, and so it's from here to here, and that's why it looked a little bit different. But you could see how, let's look in the 5 minute, how this support level, you can see how very nice the Fibonacci work, right? It's not one-to-one, because sometimes, you know, I'll pull it one way and another person pulls it that way, and so there's going to be a little bit of a difference, but it's basically around the same area, right? What day traders usually do when they see something like this, they'll maybe mark an area right around the Fibonacci, and then they'll wait for a breakout out of the area or a bounce off of the area, and then they'll get into their positions. They'll always wait for confirmation, because you'll have a lot of times where you're going to have a fake out, right? It looks suddenly here like it's going to break to the downside. This person opens a short or a put position, maybe, like if there's options, and then it retraces on them and starts going up, right? So this happens many times, and sometimes what happens is you'll see big money doing this, right? They'll start selling, right? They'll let a little bit through, then they'll see that there's suddenly a lot of shorting at this time and place, or a lot of put buying, and then they'll flip the switch and put the pressure onto the other direction. When you have billions of dollars to play with, it's very easy to manipulate any stock you want, and that's why we always have to wait and see for the confirmation, candle or two, and so it depends. You know, some people will say that the 1 minute chart is too fast, right, to look for confirmation, so they'll look at the 5 minute or the 15 minute, but sometimes if you use these longer time frames, then by the time you get in, you lose the whole movement, right? So like the really fast day traders, they'll you know, let's say get in right here and they'll get out here, like they won't wait for a retracement back to the 42 area. So Yeah, these stocks that have been running in the past few days, and the fact that when stocks are going up and retail investors aren't making money suddenly, because when big money is not losing a lot of money, because right, remember, let's say on GameStop and all those stocks there, what happened was that the big hedge funds, big financial bodies were short on a lot of these stocks. And as soon as they started going up significantly, they started getting, Robinhood got a margin call, right? We know this. And so then what happened is they talked to Citadel, allegedly, and they told them that they were going to remove the buy button. What we saw last week, stocks were going up significantly, but these stocks, it seems that they weren't really shorted, and right. So who was losing money? People that decided to short on the open, right? Most financial bodies, especially with a SPAC like that, there wasn't a lot of short interest right off the bat. It was basically day traders that were shorting and getting in and getting out, and it was just FOMO, and everybody was buying DWAC on what day was it? Friday, right? So Thursday, Friday, and also the PUNH, right? It was I think there was a halt for like 30 minutes on it. They always make the halt, right? Usually on the way up, not on the way down. They do sometimes on the way down, but usually it happens on the way up because they don't want it to go up too fast, right? And so there's a lot of things crooked, but it is what it is currently, and we have to whoa, guys. We just look what's going on with this guy. It's already up at 28. Oh my god, 215%. Wow. Merde. We should have got in when it was the 12. Oh my god. See, this is what happens when I have this time difference. This was around this time is when I start putting my kids to sleep, and showers and baths, and so I can't do almost anything here, right? I got a notification about this, and it was, oh, okay, it looks interesting, and now it's already at 28. It's Miggy. Thank you for the super chat. It's Miggy. Is your name Miguel or is it just Miggy? No, it's okay, whatever. What's a good price point to buy Shiba today? That's a good question. The baby is up again. My wife went, okay. If we look at it from, let's say, like a day trading area, right? Then this 41-ish area is the area where it's like the low of the day. But it did run here in the past 24 hours from 38, right? So I would wait maybe to see how this is going to hold. If it breaks through here, it could drop all the way down to the 38 area, right? And lower than that, we had 37, right? So 38, 37 would be an area that would be interested, in my book, if I was looking to open a position, like a new position, or cost basis up maybe, right? Because 36 was the area that it dropped when Elon came out and tweeted yesterday, and then it went up from there, right? So there could be a pullback here to 38. I would maybe nibble, but again, that's just my opinion, not financial advice or anything. But I would wait maybe for just to see how it reacts to this resistance level. It could drop down here, or even down here, right? But this would be like a big move out, because remember, guys, these things, although Shiba is up today 15%, tomorrow could be down 15% or 20%. When a coin is very, very volatile to the upside, it can be very, very volatile to the downside, and that's when we have to check and see what we're doing, right? Yeah. BKKT. Wow. Ooh, Genius is moving too. Remember this guy? It was moving, when everything was moving in the in beginning of February. I had taken a look at it. I think it ran last year too, right? It's some kind of like comics channel or something, right? So it's going up today too. Interesting. It was barcoding and then suddenly a huge amount of volume. Why is Genius brand share rising? Genius announced today it will host a conference call, discuss a positive business development. Okay. Positive business development. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button if you're here. There's about 100 people with us today and only 55 likes. You can tickle the like button, you can smash it, you can lightly pat it, right? Brush its hair. Likes are for free. I'm thinking about making a shirt like that. Likes are for free. I saw this guy, he has like a channel like on YouTube videos and how to create YouTube videos, and so he has a shirt like that. Likes are for free. That's why I started saying it, because I think it makes sense. Like, I try any video that I watch, I try to like it. I don't know. I've never disliked a single video in my life. Do you know this? There was some videos that I was angry about, even comments. I've never, like when people write bad comments, I've never disliked their comments about me. I usually just block them. But I've never disliked. I don't know why. Maybe that's just me. Let me know, guys, where you are from around the world. It's interesting. I'm from Israel right now. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. Let me know. I see someone else here is from Israel. Let me know where you are from around the world. It's very interesting to me. Shiba is going up 16%, I'm guessing, in the last 24 hours. It's kind of hard always to see the Shiba price because it's, you know, it's for 24 hours, right? When you take a look at when you take a look at stocks, it's from, you know, the opening of the stock market. But Croatia, Puerto Rico, Delaware, Montana. Wow. I hear Montana is beautiful. Mississippi, Israel, New Orleans, the United States of Delaware. So most of our guys here to Croatia. They're from Croatia. I really want to go to Slovenia. I really want to go to Croatia. I really want to go to Slovenia. My parents were there in Croatia. I think when I was like 19, and they went without me. I was in the military, and they went without Germany, Puerto Rico, all over. Cool. You know the show Brooklyn Nine-Nine? Cool. Have you guys seen the show Ted? I know it's on Apple Plus, so nobody, you know, you have to have Apple Plus or watch it on you know, on apps that are not it's a good series. You don't even have to understand soccer for it. Gan is asking, what do you know about VRA? What is VRA a stock? VRA? So it's a stock? Or? Vera Bradley? I've never heard about this stock before. woman handbags. I've never heard of it before. Interesting. It's up a nice amount. I'm gonna try to do this more, guys, see how it goes. Like, if you enjoy it. The past few times that I've done it really messes with my voice. That's why I'm also talking a little bit quieter. And also it's hard you know, to do long videos and then also do you know, videos themselves. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this maybe for the next week, see how it goes. Let's see with last few minutes of the stock market here. Let's see how this is finishing. BKKT. Wow, it's up to 30. And AMC recovered. Great. Good. We need a green day here for AMC so it won't fall off. And Tesla pulled back a little bit. It's okay. What else were we looking at? What about the PUNH? It's that was Tesla. PUNH. PHUN. Down 18. It's fallen out a little bit today. And this one is also probably in the red. Yeah, 12. It seems that people are starting to sell off a little bit. So hello. Don't forget to tickle the like button, smash the like button. I also accept hugs if you want. Send them through the chat. And Pokemon cards. No, just kidding. What did I do? I don't know what happened here on my Thinkorswim. I messed up something here. Now it gives me the price on both sides. I don't know how to. I have to Google it. Let me know, guys, in the chat if you know what I did here on Thinkorswim. I don't know what happened here. Why do I have on both sides the price? Well, Mango continues to go up too. Very, very nice. This is another one that I called out. It was around here. Very nice. Team also very nice. And Maro. This is interesting because crude oil continues to go up and up and up, but it's not going up huge. So interesting. Lucid went up today too. And here we go. Markets closed. Apple, Lucid up also 11%. Very nice. See if that holds. Shiba Inu. At 41. Let's close this. Yeah, you see it's currently bounced off this area. And so it could get back up here, but maybe recover. So we'll see what happens with that. Well, markets are closed, guys. I think we'll start here now with like a half an hour live, last half an hour. And we'll talk again tomorrow, see what's going up. Control Z, really? Let's see. No, it didn't help. So all in all, a nice day here in stock market. Stocks, SPX, XPY continue to go up, creating all-time highs, I think, right? SPX. Yeah, all-time highs. Wow. If you would have said to somebody in March 2020 that the S&P 500 was going to be in just a year or so when it was at 2200, that it's going to be 4500, up 100% in a year, year and a half, they say no way, right? And look how it went up. Wow. And the recovery from this is just very, very nice. U-shaped recovery, very nice. Okay guys, I'll talk to you in the video coming out in a while. Thank you. Check out the links in the description down below. Check out the swag shop. Check out everything, and Patreon if you want to support the channel. Send me hugs and kisses. X's and O's. Thank you, and I'll see you guys soon.